There are three core components that form the backbone of our platform: the experience layer, the orchestration layer, and the infrastructure layer. Let's discuss the second component, the orchestration layer. There are numerous payment processors, payment methods, and varying flows within these payment methods that make navigating global payments a challenge. And that's why Hyperswitch seamlessly connects to over 70 plus processors and 200 plus payment methods. Direct connections into card networks and bank acquirers are also underway. Hyperswitch backend has four major components. The core serves as the unifying layer, housing the API business logic of payment processing use cases. The connectors module acts as a stateless service integrating with payment processors. It transforms the payment data, triggers API requests, and interprets responses. Our card vault ensures encryption, storage, and tokenization of customer card information in a PCI compliant manner right out of the box. Lastly, the scheduler acts as a queuing engine, handling asynchronous operations such as refunds, webhooks, and status sync. It keeps the payment system synchronized with the payment processors or acquirers. Additionally, Hyperswitch Control Center provides developers with a unified interface to manage all payment workflows, whether it's smart routing, dispute management, refund initiation, or monitoring payment success rates across processors. Developers can manage these tasks without switching between multiple payment dashboards.